DIY. And honey, we are going to glam up this beautiful picture frame, make it so glam. You know how we do over here. We also are going to do another project. It's going to be a bonus DIY. We are going to glam some more stuff up, and it's going to be Z Gallerie inspired, so y'all stay tuned for that. But for this DIY, we're only going to use this picture frame, and I like the way it's made because it's kind of made like a shadow box, but I tried to open it, y'all, but I couldn't. But anyway, it's cute. So we're going to add these beautiful tile to really glam it up, to give it something special. And we're going to use our glue gun and our glue sticks, y'all. And this is not going to take long at all. We're just going to go ahead and measure where we want our tile to be. And understand this, y'all, a lot of the things that I do, like when it comes to this tile and stuff, is not measured, you know, to fit. So basically you have to kind of, you know, do your due diligence and try to make it fit the best way you know how. So that's how I do my little DIYs, y'all. Okay, so this is how it's looking. I came back because I wanted to show you all that I did not use the loose pieces, because it was better this way, and it because it'll fit. Now all I'm going to do is glue the pieces down. Okay, for this next DIY, we are going to use these two boxes that I got from Dollar Tree. And these boxes, I just spray painted them silver with some Rust-Oleum metallic spray paint. So we're going to use our glue sticks and glue gun. Okay, so This box isn't completely dry, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the DIY anyway. It ain't like I'm gonna keep it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and place our mirrored tile that I got from dieflock.com. We're gonna place it where we want the tile to be. Now, I did see this box. It's on Z Gallerie. It's like I guess like a jewelry box. So I'm just going to try to recreate it with things that I've already had. That's what I'm trying to do lately. I'm really trying to use items that I already have at my disposal, y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is how this box is looking. I love the bling on it, but I've got to clean it, and it isn't super straight, y'all. It actually is like walks at it or whatever. But, you know, that's what you're going to get when you can't measure to the right size, because this is not the right size or whatever. But we camouflaging, okay? Y'all know what camouflaging means. We finna camouflage this stuff and make it look like it's supposed to be here. So all I'm doing now is trying to see where I'm going to put these tiles to try to get it as close to fitting as possible. Like I said, y'all, it might not happen, but we're gonna do the best that we can. That's all we can do, right? Okay, Glam Fam, so I decided to use some of this auto trim. It's for your car, but y'all, we're gonna use it for our Z Gallerie inspired jewelry box. Okay, so this is how it looks with the auto trim on there. So y'all, I'm gonna clean it up and we're gonna look and see how it looks like styles. How about that? Okay, Glam Fam, so this is how our jewelry box has turned out. I really love it, and I do think that you can get the same look that Z Gallerie has for, you know, so much less of a price, although they are affordable. But it ain't nothing like making it yourself and looking at it and saying it turned out wonderful. It really did. So this is the picture frame, and so I put a picture of me in there. So I really do love, 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 love this picture frame. It is so pretty. I think I'm gonna make another one and use it in my room. So you all, I hope you all enjoyed this DIY. I really enjoyed doing it with you all. If you are not a part of my royal family, then you should do so. So if you like what you see, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.